Best drones. Are you looking for the best drones? In this video we will look at some of the best drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Flip. The DJI Flip is an ideal drone for first-time pilots and aerial photography enthusiasts looking for high-quality imaging without the hassle of complex setup or regulations. Weighing just 249 grams, it falls below the FAA registration threshold, letting you take to the skies immediately. Safety features like built-in propeller guards and forward obstacle sensors ensure worry-free flights, while multiple control options, dedicated remote, smartphone app, or on-drone controls give you flexible piloting experiences. Who it's for? Beginners. DJI Flip is perfect for newcomers. Its lightweight design eliminates FAA registration requirements, and integrated propeller guards plus obstacle sensors reduce accident risk. The camera delivers crisp 12MP or 48MP stills and smooth, stabilized 4K 60 video with 10-bit color, so you can capture professional quality content with ease. Photography and videography enthusiasts. The Flip supports DNG RAW photos and a flat D-Log-M video profile, giving creative control to editors who want to fine-tune color, exposure, and dynamic range for cinematic results. Recreational flyers. Hobbyists will love the lightweight and portable design, making spontaneous flights simple and fun. Note that it lacks remote ID broadcasting, so it's not intended for commercial use. Specifications. Dimensions: 3.1 by 11.0 by 9.2 in. Weight: 8.8 ounces. Rotors: 4. Obstacle detection: integrated. Camera: 48MP with gimbal stabilization. Video resolution: 4K 60. Media storage: internal and microSD. Remote options: dedicated LCD controller, smartphone/tablet app. Live video feed, 1080p. Whether you're starting your drone journey or seeking creative aerial shots, the DJI Flip delivers convenience, safety, and professional-level imaging in a compact package. Number 2. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 stands out as one of the best entry-level drones for hobbyists and content creators alike. With a takeoff weight of just 249 grams, it's exempt from FAA registration requirements, though pilots must pass an online knowledge test before flying. Despite its compact size, the Mini 3 offers an impressive camera that captures 4K 30 video with HDR-style color and supports both vertical and landscape orientations, plus a 60-degree upward tilt for creative angles. Its 12MP camera shoots in JPG or RAW DNG, while the f1.7 optics perform well during dawn and dusk, giving you clear, vibrant shots in low light. Who it's for? Recreational flyers. Lightweight and portable, the Mini 3 is ideal for hobbyists who want a stable, easy-to-fly drone. GPS stabilization and the return-to-home feature enhance safety, although obstacle detection is not included. Content creators. The ability to switch between vertical and widescreen 4K footage mid-flight makes this drone perfect for social media creators producing videos for platforms like YouTube and TikTok. Licensed pilots. The Mini 3 supports remote ID, making it compliant for commercial use for FAA-certified SUAS pilots. For professionals monetizing drone footage, whether for real estate, weddings, or YouTube content, the extended 51-minute battery option ensures you can access remote ID while maximizing flight time. Specifications. Dimensions: 2.4 by 3.5 by 5.7 in. Weight: 8.8 ounces. Rotors: 4. Camera: 12MP with gimbal. Video resolution: 4K 30. Media: microSD. Remote options: dedicated controller with app support or LCD remote. Live video feed, 1080p. Flight time, up to 38 minutes. Compact, reliable, and versatile, the DJI Mini 3 offers a beginner-friendly flying experience while delivering professional-quality aerial footage. Number 3. Potensic Atom 2. The Potensic Atom 2 proves that high-quality drones aren't exclusive to DJI. This lightweight 249G quadcopter avoids FAA registration requirements, making it a convenient option for hobbyists, yet it also includes a built-in remote ID module, allowing licensed pilots to use it for professional applications. Its 4K 30 camera is stabilized on a 3-axis gimbal, delivering smooth, steady video, while still photography can be captured at 12MP or 48MP with an optional RAW DNG format for more advanced editing and creative control. During testing, the Atom 2 proved reliable, boasting a 32-minute flight time and responsive dedicated remote control. Who it's for? Beginners. The Atom 2 is ideal for first-time drone pilots. Its camera captures sharp photos and stabilized 4K video, and its included remote makes setup simple. While it lacks obstacle avoidance, careful flying near trees and structures ensures a safe and enjoyable experience. Its affordable price makes it a great entry-level option. Recreational flyers. Hobbyists can fly confidently without FAA registration thanks to its sub-250G weight. Its stable performance and easy controls make it an excellent choice for casual aerial photography and fun flights. Licensed pilots. With built-in remote ID, the Atom 2 meets requirements for FAA/UAS license holders. It's suitable for commercial work including real estate photography, monetized YouTube content, stock footage, and other paid projects. Specifications. Dimensions: 2.3 by 3.5 by 5.6 in. Weight: 8.8 ounces. Rotors: 4. Camera: 48MP with gimbal. Video resolution: 4K 30. Media: microSD. Remote: dedicated controller with app support. Live video feed: 1080p. Flight time: up to 32 minutes. The Potensic Atom 2 combines portability, professional-grade imaging, and beginner-friendly controls in a compact, versatile drone. Number 4. DJI Neo. The DJI Neo is an ideal choice for anyone who wants quick selfies or scenic landscape videos without fuss. Its ultra-lightweight 4.8-ounce design makes it highly portable, while built-in propeller guards keep flights safe and stress-free. You can launch and land it right from the palm of your hand, making it beginner-friendly and intuitive. The Neo captures smooth 4K video and 12MP stills, with footage suitable for social media posts, vlogs, or casual content creation. It offers about 18 minutes of flight time per charge and can be controlled via smartphone app or a dedicated remote control, sold separately. While its video profile isn't as advanced as other DJI drones, it offers excellent value at its $199 starting price. Who it's for? Beginners. DJI Neo is perfect for new pilots. Automated flight paths and intuitive controls allow it to basically fly itself, reducing the learning curve. Its lightweight frame exempts it from FAA registration, and safety features like propeller guards provide extra peace of mind. Selfie enthusiasts. On-drone controls let users capture quick selfies without needing to connect a remote or smartphone. It's a fun, effortless way to enhance your social media content. Recreational flyers. Hobbyists will appreciate the Neo's portability, lightweight, and easy-to-use flight options. You can control it via smartphone or by a remote for extended range. Professionals should note it lacks remote ID, so it isn't suitable for commercial work. Specifications. Dimensions: 1.9 by 5.1 by 6.2 in. Weight: 4.8 ounces. Rotors: 4. Camera: 12MP with gimbal. Video resolution: 4K. Media: internal. Remote: smartphone/tablet app. Live video feed: 1080p. The DJI Neo is compact, fun, and simple, making it the perfect beginner-friendly drone for casual photography and social media videos. Number 5. DJI Avata 2. An FPV, first-person view, drone delivers a uniquely immersive flying experience by streaming a near-instant live feed from its camera directly to a pair of goggles. This places you virtually in the cockpit of a small, highly agile aircraft, capable of weaving through tight gaps and executing breathtaking maneuvers like flips, barrel rolls, loops, and vertical dives. Unlike traditional camera drones, FPV drones are designed less for wide-open scenic shots and more for capturing an adrenaline-fueled aerial adventure in obstacle-rich environments. Flying an FPV drone requires more skill than standard drones. Without the protective anti-crash systems common on other models, you're controlling a faster aircraft with less margin for error. The DJI Avata 2, 8 out of 10, Wired recommends, makes this more approachable for beginners. It shoots ultra-smooth video at 4K per 60 frames per second or 2.7K per 120 frames per second, and while it lacks automatic obstacle avoidance, its motion-sensitive controller allows quick braking and mid-air hovering, making the flight experience much more forgiving than traditional twin-stick FPV controls. The Avata 2 goggles are equally impressive, offering crystal-clear visuals via dual micro-OLED screens. Adjustable interpupillary distance and a diopter make them comfortable even for pilots with vision challenges. Flying the Avata 2 feels like riding a bike with training wheels. Some advanced stunts, such as steep dives where motors shut off, are limited. For more daring maneuvers, DJI's gamepad-style Remote Controller 3 is available as an optional add-on, allowing experienced pilots to fully explore the limits of FPV flight.